car factory makes 10,000 cars every year. All right, so let me write that down. 10,000 cars this factory makes. The cars produce 6,000 cars so far. So 6,000 cars so far have been produced. And right away from that, I should also write this down for myself. Since there's 10,000 cars, I know that there's 4,000 cars that have not been produced. Not produced. Okay, so of the 6,000 cars produced this year, 40% are red and 60% are blue. So 40% are red. Now 40% of 6,000. So 40% of 6,000. 40% is the same thing as 0.4. Off means multiply. 6,000 is just 6,000. So in order to calculate 40% of 6,000, I'm doing 0.4 times 6,000, and that should give me 2,400. So that means that there's 2,400 red cars, and the rest have to be, or 60% have to be blue, and 60% of 6,000, I'm not going to do that step out, but it's the same exact thing as this one, and that'll be 3,600 blue cars. All right, so let's figure out the next part of the question is, how many of the remaining 4,000 cars produced must be red in order to produce 50% red and 50% blue cars? Okay, a little bit of a curveball. That's not what I was expecting the question to be. But so how many of the remaining 4,000 cars to be produced must be red in order to produce? Okay, that's not too bad. So see how there's 10,000 cars in total? I know that I want 50% red and I want 50% blue. So that means I want 5,000 red and I want 5,000 blue. That's how I'm going to get 50% and 50%, right? Now the question is saying how many of the remaining 4,000 cars to be produced must be red. So right now I have 2,400 red cars. So in order to get to 5,000 red cars, I know that I must produce an extra 2,600. And that's just 5,000 minus 2,400, which will give you 2,600.